How to send photos in TikTok message. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to send photos in TikTok message. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the inbox icon shown in the bottom of the screen to access your message. Now, once you are in your inbox section, here is the key part. In order to send photos through TikTok message, you and the other person must follow each other. If you're not a mutual followers, the photo sharing feature won't be available for you. And once you both follow each other, you can simply open the chat with that person, and inside the conversation you'll see a list of picture icon next to the text box. Simply tap on picture icon and phone gallery will open. And from here simply select the photo or photos that you want to send. Yes, you can even choose multiple images too. And after selecting, just tap on send and that's it. Now the photo will be delivered instantly. And that's how you send photos in TikTok messages. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.